Hello everybody and welcome back to Manifest with Finesse on YouTube. My name is Manifesting Gaia. That is my Twitter, TikTok, podcast, and Instagram. All the links are down below. And my affirmations list and audio rampage email is down below. And my master manifestation workshop is down below. And we also have an affiliate program now. So if you've been looking for ways to manifest money, this is one of them. An affiliate program is basically a program where you apply to become an affiliate. And if you're accepted into the program, which you will be, you get a special link for the workshop. We promote this link, and people who buy products through that link, you receive 7% of all sales that you generate. The link to apply will be in the description. Once you're accepted, you can start promoting. You'll see everything you need in your portal. When you get accepted, you'll get an email. It'll show a portal. You'll see it. But today, I'm going to be sharing some client success stories from people who have used the workshop. The workshop will be 3 months this week. The 2nd of August will be 3 months. So it's only been 3 months. And a lot of these are like the first month. A lot of these are from the programs or the workshops. We have different categories. We have health. We have appearance change. We have specific people. Okay, this one, usually people save the best for last, but I feel like this one is my favorite because it's just insane. I see a lot of success stories. I get them daily, but like, this one to me is just insane. Y'all gonna see why. If you follow me on Instagram, my highlights, I post whenever I get them. So if you follow me on Instagram or if you just want to check out the highlights, it's in my description. Manifesting Gaia. Okay. Y'all ready? Okay. She said, mind you, this woman is 60 years old. We talk all the time because she's always sending me success stories. She has a lot of business success stories because she has a business and she uses pretty sure she got the business audios because I have an audio bundle for business owners. So this woman's 60, okay? You're never too old to change your life. It's never too late. There is no age limit. As long as you're thinking thoughts, I don't care if you're 3, 13, 30, or 130, you're manifesting, okay? So she said, oh my goodness, I feel like I have to share all the amazing things that are happening to and for me, and I cannot thank you enough. I feel like when Glenda the Good Witch told Dorothy, you had the power all along. I constantly hear you in my head. So you got this. You are powerful. You are beautiful. You are the healthiest person I know. You look amazing. You are amazing. This morning, my husband of 32 years told me I'm the most beautiful woman he's ever seen. I'm guessing a lot of people have the story where after being together for a while, it kind of just slows down, which is not the case. Like, it's all just stories and beliefs. So congratulations. And I've had skin cancer on my nose. And because of my self-concept changing, it is almost completely gone. Skin cancer, diminishing because of self-concept, because of telling yourself these stories. This is my favorite success story of all time. I don't care. Skin cancer, I don't want to hear nothing. If this beautiful lady can remove skin cancer from her nose through self-concept, y'all can get SP, y'all can get money, y'all can get jobs, y'all can get the apartment, y'all can get the house. Skin cancer! I can't wait to tell you more. I feel like you're my new personal cheerleader. Your rampages combined with your new self-concept workshop program are gold. So she did the self-concept program. People always ask me too, when it comes to the workshop, they're like, should I get the self-concept one? Should I get the SP one? Should I get this? Should I get this? Well, self-concept is everything. Like, it's completely changing your identity. Because once you know you're capable, you're powerful, you can manifest your love life and your skin cancer. And like I said, she manifests her business all the time. Like, it's not just one thing. So it's really dependent on you. But in every program, I do go over self-concept. For example, if it's money or love or appearance, it's going to be self-concept in relation to that too. So y'all pick, honestly, just get both. If it were up to me, I'd tell you to get both. But that's the difference. You can never go wrong with just self-concept, but it's up to you. If you're like, I just really want one on just SPs, on just money. Next one. This one is a SP success story. It's actually so funny. I did not see her DM. She sent me the success story. But it's funny because that Friday prior, y'all will see in the screenshot, but she said, hi, I need help manifesting my SP bag. She said that on a Friday, and then she sent me this success story the next Thursday. It doesn't take long. I keep telling y'all. And May 30th, the program's only out for 28 days. It hadn't even been a month. Like, guys, this does not take long at all. Mind you, the week before she's talking about I need help manifesting my SP. Next, she set up on one of my stories and sent me, she said, hi, I'm so excited. I purchased your self-concept workshop on Tuesday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 4 days later, she purchased. And 2 days after she purchased, SP success story, okay? I purchased your self-concept workshop on Tuesday. SP contacted me and wants us to go out for lunch on Sunday. We have been in no contact for 3 months. I discovered law of assumption and self-concept through you. These past 3 months have been hell. Everything was just going wrong. I was sexually harassed at work and the perpetrator has been dismissed last week. Everything's working out for me. I'm crying. Okay, first of all, that last part made me so happy. I'm glad she got out of that situation. She manifested that person to go away. Guys, she purchased on Tuesday, manifested him out of no contact on Thursday, and also in that same span got rid of her perpetrator from work. She's been dealing with this for 3 months. She did it in 2 days, and she got the self-concept one. Self-concept is just the answer. This is why I preach it. It's because, bro, it's just literally just believing yourself. It's literally just knowing you're that girl. It's knowing you deserve it, or that guy too. We don't discriminate, or that person, but it's just knowing you deserve it. You can only see reality as high as you see yourself. So when she was in the state of undeservingness, 3D, SP, we're no contact, your deservingness is based on what 3D shows. And if 3D is showing nothing, then your deservingness is going to be nothing. I can't preach self-concept enough. I love it so bad. I love the results it's getting, y'all. Okay, we've done skin cancer. We've done reviving marriage of 32 years. We see no contact. We've done getting rid of abusers and perpetrators in the workplace. And it's just been 2 so far. And they're both just doing the self-concept program. Days! 2 days! Okay, next one. This one's an appearance change one. Somebody slid up on my Instagram story. They said, yeah, I enrolled in your appearance change workshop, and the nervous system regulation techniques in the workshop really help. I don't react to 3D anymore either, and I've definitely become hotter and thinner. And I've been listening to you and watching your YouTube videos. Prioritizing self-concept really makes you shine. I've gotten so many compliments about how I'm the it boy. Period. I've been saying that. I'll be like, y'all the it boy, y'all the it girl. Okay. Thank you so much, Gaia. Okay. So this is from the Apparent Change Workshop. Okay, so this is not self-concept, but like I said, and everything I talk about self-concept, talk about nervous system regulation. If y'all haven't watched that video, prioritizing your reactions, prioritizing being able to just wake up, look in the mirror, and not be triggered. Because appearance change comes from already knowing you look good. I talked about this in my appearance change video as well. But when y'all feel like y'all stuck in a body that you don't want and you're trying to get out of it, it's going to be hard. Manifest from empowerment, not disempowerment. And again, in the workshops, in the programs, we talk about non-reaction, like how to stop reacting, ignoring 3D, all that stuff, especially obviously with appearance change. But I know that's right. Even though they didn't get the self-concept program, they prioritized it. Like, notice how all of these are talking about changing their self-concept. I don't want to hear nothing. My fave said I don't have to. Well, my clients, my MIFI workshop members, this is what's getting them results. I know that's right. Like, y'all, you could change anything. Your health, your appearance, your situation with a specific person. People always ask how, because you're the center of the universe. You're only experiencing your own consciousness. So only you have the power to affect reality. If reality is reflecting assumptions, beliefs, continuous thoughts and stories, and you're telling yourself continuously, I'm hot, I'm thin, my cancer's gone, my husband loves me, I'm in contact with my SP, this person that I don't like at work is leaving, and you are relishing in that story, guess what? It's going to manifest. Don't wonder how it works. It just works. That's just human design. It's just the way we were made. Talking about, do you ask why we breathe? Why we have to use the bathroom every 2 hours? Why we get so hungry? Why we get tired? Why we're not nocturnal? No, just be grateful and use it to your advantage. Your peers are out here getting results. Become one of them. I can help you with that. Oh my God, okay. I just went through my DMs again. So that same girl who was talking about I need help with a SP that one Friday, and then she got the workshop and got the SP in 2 days. She didn't give me another update after she went on the date. So she said, hey, I hope you're good. I went to a lunch date with SP today. There was a third party involved, and I have been affirming that things didn't work out for them, and they were always fighting. Guess what? They have broken up 2 weeks ago, and he said the relationship was draining because they were always fighting, and he decided to call it quits. He said he is so embarrassed to ask for us to try again. I will persist and work on my self-concept. Period. Okay, next one. This is so fun. Y'all was right. I should have done success stories a long time ago. This is so fun. Okay, we're gonna do a couple more. This is another appearance change one. This person said, hi Gaia, every time I see you, you look better and better. I swear to God, thank you. I purchased your desired appearance change course on your website, and I finally look the way I want to. I know that's right. I'm glad y'all loving your appearances. I'm glad y'all getting your summer bodies. I love this for you guys so much. I'm so satisfied with the way I look after all this time trying. See, I don't teach that. There's nothing to try. Either you are or you aren't. It's identity, okay? I got to the root of my problems and realized everything that I've ever wanted was always within me. Exactly. Your desires are right here. They're right here. They're right here. They're in your mind and in your feeling state. They're in your identity. They're in your regulated nervous system. Thank you so much. Honestly, love you. Love you too, boo. The Hood Aphrodite. Love you. But I'm telling y'all, that's really what the root of the problem is y'all think y'all trying to get something, like there's something to be achieved. The only thing to be achieved is realizing you're already enough. You already have it. It's already available. It's desiring you too. It's manifesting you too. That's all. Especially appearance changes. People freak out about it so much. Your body, oh my God, I just watched the video on it. But your subconscious mind is listening. Your body's controlled by the subconscious mind, right? We don't breathe consciously. We don't blink consciously. Even me doing these hand motions, I don't think about, oh, let me pick up my hand. It's just natural. So if the body's controlled by the subconscious and the subconscious mind runs on programming, you just have to change your programming that you're stuck in this look or appearance that you don't want to have. So I love it here. I love it. This is another SP1. So this person said, okay, this is so random, but your book on how to manifest a SP literally works. Not like I doubted it, but still, I purchased it 2 weeks ago. Okay, she needs the program. But an ebook is in the works. She said, I purchased it like 2 weeks ago, and this guy I've seen a couple times at Kroger, it's a grocery store in the US, if you don't know, who I thought was super cute, asked me for my Instagram on Wednesday. All I've been doing is saying he literally wants me, he's chasing me. And I imagine me up on a pedestal, self-concept, and all the men looking up to me, and it works. I've been focusing on my self-concept, and this guy is literally me pushed out. I didn't chase him, and I'm not changing anything about myself for him because he wants to be with me. He literally worships the ground for me. Now look at that self-concept. Versus when, because I know some of y'all just heard the affirmations she told me she said, and y'all gonna start singing them out of desperation. No. If you had SP, what would you be desperate for? She was in the state, she was in the mindset, she was in the identity, she was chill that he already came up to me. What she said he literally wants me, he's chasing me. And she accepted it. She said, yup, and is. She visualized herself on the pedestal and said, yup, I'm her. That's it. I love that every single person is saying what I be saying on the videos. I've never lied to you guys. I would never lie. Okay. So that was it as far as programs and stuff. I'm just going to read one. This is a comment I received on a YouTube video, literally the day after I launched the workshop. But it's just to show y'all how audio reprogramming works. A lot of people have success with my audios, my rampages, my meditations, sleep tracks, everything. But I just want to show y'all how it works. So this is also a SP1. Last one, I want this to end. Probably do a part 2. Okay, she said, I fell asleep listening to you about 2 hours ago. All I remember is you saying my desires desire me. I just said that, didn't I? And how they want me more than I want them. Yup. Something about how we're thinking of our SP and turn it around and say our SP is thinking that way about us. I be telling y'all that. Y'all be like, I miss them so much. Oh my God, I don't think it's working. This is how they feel about you. Like, you're just receiving the thought transmission. I be telling y'all. I kid you not. I don't know how long I was asleep. It didn't feel like long, but I only woke up because he was calling me. It worked fast. I was having a crappy day because he's been distant, so I was in my feelings. But as soon as I changed what I was thinking about and put myself on the pedestal, I got action, baby. What she said? As soon as I changed what I was thinking and put myself on the pedestal. Soon as I changed what I was thinking about and put myself on the pedestal. Soon as I changed what I was thinking about and put myself on the pedestal. She was having a crappy day because she was letting that man's absence, she was letting 3D dictate how she feels. When y'all learn to regulate your nervous system so you're not emotionally and energetically attached to undesirable circumstance that y'all are letting tell you about yourself, y'all win. Y'all win. The key is in non-reaction. But I hope y'all enjoyed, because that is all the success stories that I have for today. Like I said, you can catch more on my Instagram. Also, on the workshop too, we have testimonials on there. If you click any topic, literally, if you click SP, if you click the appearance change, if you click the school grades, what other programs do I have on there? If you click business, health, like we have mad success stories. I'll click it, go to the checkout page. You'll see them. And I'll probably make another section with even more testimonials because I received so many. So y'all deserve to see them. And just for sticking this long and being here this long and watching this entire video, I'm going to be running a promo for all the programs, all the workshops, all the audios. The promo code will be in the description. It's going to run for like a week. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for everybody who submitted a success story. If you have success stories, slide in my DMs, email me, like whatever it is, so I can post y'all, so I can let people know, so I can share it. Shout out to everybody who has gotten success from using the programs. I love you guys so much. Remember to sign up to be an affiliate. You don't even have to have used the program to be an affiliate. You can just promote it. You can be from anywhere in the world and still apply and still promote it. It doesn't matter. But remember, you can have anything you want in this universe. Nothing's too big, small, wide, or expensive. I believe in you. You should believe in you. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.